In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on YouTube. Maybe you've traveled to a different part of the world and you want it to reflect on YouTube. Maybe the kind of content that you want to be seeing on this platform should resonate with the country that you are currently living. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to change your location on YouTube. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your YouTube app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it, and then proceed to tap on general. So this will land you on an interface like this. In order for you to change your location, all you have to do is to scroll down until you locate location. In my case, my current location is Ghana, so all I have to do is to tap on it, and then I have a list of options to pick from. Whichever location I found myself, all I have to do is to continue to tap on it, and that's it. I've successfully changed my location on YouTube. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.